tutorial. Today we want to talk on how to use Vmix for multi-camera purposes. So this one will be our camera and we will be connecting it to Vmix, and I'll tell you how to do about it. So you will open your camera. You will open your camera the way we have opened this one. Then you will connect HDMI cable. This HDMI cable will be transmitting the video to your, this is called switcher, if you can see the switcher. So in this switcher we have, sorry, my switcher is a bit old, but I think it will be for guidance. In this switcher we have HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and HDMI 3 for multi camera use. So you can put HDMI 1 in this hole, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3 or HDMI 4. So it depends with how many cameras you have. And then at the end of the switcher we have output. This is our output. Now this output is the one going direct to your desktop PC. So this one is the one you are going to connect with the desktop, and I'll tell you how to use. So if you have connected, if you have powered on your switcher, you will see, if you can see here, this is the same background that we are having there. This is the same background that you are having there. So meaning everything that we have here are being transmitted to this switcher here, So, and this one will be directed using this output, direct to your Vmix or your desktop PC. So after that, I'll tell you how to do about it, how to use Vmix for multi-purpose. So thank you. Watch out.